Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Diana. In this video I'm going to be installing this wig from Unice Hair. This is actually a T-part wig, so you can like see the part in the middle here, and it's an ombre highlight body wave wig. All the information will be in the description box below. You can see the inside. It has like a lace front and then just a little part in the middle for a middle part, and then it has combs on the sides, a comb in the back, and then of course the adjustment straps on the sides. This is such a pretty wig, so let's go ahead and install it. Y'all, when I say this is probably going to be the easiest install that you'll ever do, or this is definitely the easiest install that I've ever done, but literally all I'm doing is sliding the wig on my head, and I'm going to go through, start cutting the lace and styling it. Even though it's a lace front wig, it's not like a lace frontal wig, so that means like they only left like the front of the hairline out so that you can style your baby hairs, but the rest of that is a full wig. I'm just going through here and I'm cutting the lace off entirely. This is because if you can see on the side, my edges come out pretty far, and I talked about this before, but I'm not cutting them. So I'm just going to use my natural edges and incorporate some of the wig's edges. So I'm going to do a combination of both. Yeah, so like I said earlier, I'm going to be incorporating some of my natural edges and then also creating edges in the unit. So I'm just mapping out where those edges are going to be, and I'm going to go through and cut it. So after I cut my edges, I'm just going through with this foam to kind of like map out where I want my edges to lay. And then I'm going to go through with Got To Be gel and the Got To Be free spray and actually like lay down my edges. Also, I forgot to mention, I'm literally using absolutely nothing to kind of lay down this wig, except for some Got To Be free spray that I'm going to spray underneath the flaps, but that's about it. I'm not using any glue or anything like that because I plan on taking this off at night, so I really don't care if it's long lasting. Okay, so while I'm letting my edges sit, I'm just going through and plucking this part a little bit just to make it a little wider and look a little bit more natural. And now I'm just going to go through and curl my hair. So pretty much the rest of this is just going to be me curling the hair. I do have to go through and cut it a little bit, but that's going to be that. So if you want to skip through towards the end just to see how it came out, feel free to do so. But if you want to watch me curl the hair, you definitely can. I'm a sucker for body waves. I love big, thick, voluminous body waves. So that's what I'm going to be doing to the hair today. once I'm done curling my hair, I like to flip my hair over and finger comb them out, just to get that full effect. And now I'm just going through and adding just a little bit of layers to the front, like where my bang is, because I feel like it makes my hair look more full like that. Y'all, so I'm just going through and adding some finishing touches to my hair, but this wig came out so freaking cute. And here I go sounding like a broken record because I'm saying the same thing over again, but this is literally my new favorite wig. Every new one I get is my new favorite wig, and this one is my new favorite wig. It's so pretty. Go check this out. Like, the hair quality is really great. I have no issues with shedding. It looks so pretty, and I love the freaking hair color, y'all. It's so amazing. Please check it out, like, for real. I'm just putting a little bit of concealer on the part just to pop it out some. But yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. This hair is so thick and pretty and voluminous, and it definitely holds a curl well. Those curls that I put in, like, even though it's like a light curl, it lasted like all day. Like, I didn't have to do any touch-ups or anything like that. It's so cute. Also, if you want to, you can tuck the hair behind your ear for a more natural look. You couldn't tell the difference if this was a sew-in, a quick weave, or a wig. Like, it looks so cute. I love this hair so much. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video and putting up with my foolishness. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Adios, till next time.